Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Have you used Figma new feature, the Make feature? If you haven't, I can't wait to tell you all about it and show you how to use it. If you do not know what Figma Make is, let me tell you all about it. Figma Make is a new AI-powered feature. It turns your designs or your ideas into interactive prototypes and make a mini app for you. Like instantly with no coding. So you're telling me, as a business owner, as a business analyst, that build really complex systems, that I can literally take my requirements, type it in, and you generate a screen for me? This is crazy. Let's just jump right in. Let me show you. Log into Figma, make sure that you have the right access. Click your Make icon, and then it'll guide you to this screen. What do you want to make? So the purpose of this video, let's say that I'm creating a Fit Buddy app. It's going to be called the Fit Buddy Tracker. And it's going to be a simple CRM application for personal trainers to search, view, and manage fitness clients. I've entered here, I want to create this simple app for personal trainer. And you just go ahead and search. I will say, just ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot, as you feed this AI information, you need to give it time to think and process it. So here it is. It's processing it. It's telling me, I'll create your Fit Buddy Tracker CRM app for personal trainers. As you can see here, created the application for us. It has that Fit Buddy Tracker, manage your fitness clients, 5 clients, 4 active clients, and 1 inactive clients. So just by giving one sentence about what I wanted to create, it already generated an application for me. So I want to take it a little step further. I have this sample data that I generated with ChatGPT. It has all of the client's information in here, and then it has each field definition. So I'm going to copy all of this and paste it into Make. Use this data. Allow. And then I'm also going to paste in each field's definition. Just wait to get surprised. This is so ridiculous. No joke. Like I said, using this, it doesn't take that long, but you want to make sure and give it a couple of minutes, especially if you import a large amount of data. It takes a while to generate the application, which is understandable because I actually use this feature. I enter in the data that I need, and then I'm working on something else. And when I look back, it's done. All of the client's information are in here now. And then it actually guides me to fix a few warnings. So if you look here on the bottom left, it says 10 plus warnings. I click fix them. Now it's going through all of the application to fix it. After clicking the button to fix these warnings, it's already fixed it. So we see that we have everything in here, add client button for us without having to do anything else. And then it has the search feature here where you can search. Let's just put Ben. One Benjamin come up. You put J, you get to see everything that it has. You can even go ahead and specify, maybe you don't want all of these fields to show for the search results. You can edit it by saying don't show gold or don't show membership status. And then it has to add here to view each client's information. You can edit that client information, update it, cancel, and then delete it. When you click to delete anything, it gives you a confirmation modal. I have a whole wireframe, an interactive wireframe. Let's take it one step further. I am so excited for this. So let's just say that your company is using a special component. Let's go to the material component library. You can literally copy and paste it. Use this as the component. And then watch it do magic. It's now updated and using a materials component. And now let's take it a little step further, right? Because most time we have different color palettes that we need to use in the application. You want to probably add tooltips. Maybe use this one, or then this is Shopify color. So let's use Shopify design. Use the colors in this, and also add tool tips. We want tooltips on certain things that may be hard for users to understand. Not really giving this AI much information, just telling it what I have in my head and pull from best standards. So let's see how it turns out. My goal is to have some of the buttons and action just be different colors for now. It is going through everything I just said, reading the website, and working to update the colors and tooltips. You see here that it's still going through it. Now you can see that it took the Shopify design system and colors and it made the UI changes. It has tooltips here, clients with active members. All of these are in gray now. The buttons, the active status are in green. First they were black. Do you see how simple this was? Let's just click on other features. Now when you go to the client details, it has icons for each of the elements and the different color schemes. It has the colors to match it, and it makes it easy for whoever is using this application to be able to scheme it and understand what's going on. So it's active right now. Let's click out of here. Let's go to edit information. As before, cancel and update clients information is in here. And then let's see how the search function works. So before, if you selected here, it didn't highlight in green. Now it does. Let's go to Ben again. We see Ben progress is 33%. His status is canceled. You can sort by different statuses here. This application is phenomenal. It makes designing so much easier. As a business owner, as a project manager, as a leader, if you just want a simple way to visualize what it is that you want to build, what it is that you have in your head, I highly recommend this tool. It's super fun and super easy. Let me know if you tried it in the comments below.